Mahaprabhu Masti is saying that what type of Masti? That one time, giving an example, one in a village, a wealthy person distributing milk and announced how your container you can brought, how you will be free milk supply. So everybody went their house and bringing their container, some small, some big, how much container they have and brought, and that the servant of the holy person, they are giving the milk, everybody bought. One person, he did not hear yesterday announcement, so he only looking. Then the holy person told, why you not come to take the milk? He told, Prabhu, I don't hear your announcement, I have no pot to with me. Container I am not. That person told, don't fear. I will be give container, you come and take the milk. So Mahaprabhu is, I am not qualified. If I take properly shelter, sincere shelter, Mahaprabhu may qualify to us. No need make to any qualification. If we take, oh Prabhu, now I twist my ears, what I have done past, I not do. Prabhu, you accept. Immediately Mahaprabhu accepts. Immediately Gurudev accepts. For this reason, what we want, still we wanted that stage. No, what we want, we come out from that stage and try to develop our spiritual life. Then we can, especially Mahaprabhu, when we will be worshipping Mahaprabhu in a servant mood, Mahaprabhu, who is Radha and Krishna combination. But Mahaprabhu not came here in that Sambhog, not to Sambhog, what is Sambhog? Not meeting. Meeting. Sambhog. Sambhog means meeting, pastime not. Krishna is always Sambhog. Krishna figure is Sambhog Madhuryamoy. And Krishna, Mahaprabhu is Viprambha. He especially not came in to taste the Krishna, Radha Krishna, that tasting he had it, all the boy passed in male form. Only to devote Ashray Bhagavan, not to taste any rasa. So Mahaprabhu service worshipping only Dasharat, no motherly, no parently, no friendship, no sweetness. So in the Mahaprabhu pastime, when you will be in a Gurudev told that when Mahaprabhu had this Dasya mood, Mahaprabhu our Prabhu and we are the servant in this mood. When we have become perfect in the mood, then Mahaprabhu manifested himself, Radha and Krishna. Then Radha Krishna, we are in a sweet mood. So Mahaprabhu came in this world to giving the Manjari mood, then we can enter in that. But first we will be take the shelter, how Mahaprabhu gave the instruction, how chanting, how observing the chanting, how always remembering all these things. One day, taking the shelter of Mahaprabhu, especially Mahaprabhu, how we have done the Radha Krishna in the bhakti with the nectar of the bhakti. Before, bhakti was not any, that type of bhav was not there. But Mahaprabhu came and changed the mood and become so many things. And so Mahaprabhu under guidance, while we will be serving Krishna. According Mahaprabhu instruction, Mahaprabhu not told, giving instruction Hare Krishna, not go Nityananda. So in Mahaprabhu order, when we will be follow, then one day we will understand the Mahaprabhu's pastime. Gaur Premanande. If any question you can ask. Mahaprabhu's pastime is very much easy to understand And Mahaprabhu mercy also very much easy. If anybody can, Ha Gaur, Ha Nitai, chanting to holding his hand, his tears coming. But go, Krishna, Krishna, you are so many times you Krishna chanting, you no tears coming because aparad, often. But Gaur Nityananda not consider your aparad, you will take immediately shelter, accept to us. But Krishna not accept. If you have become free from offense, unwanted desire, everything, then Krishna will be accept us. These are different. That Krishna, and Mahaprabhu as a Krishna, the same Krishna, but in this time Mahaprabhu is so merciful because with Radharani, mood is there. So this time he is more, very much merciful.
I have a simple question. It's only the name that I forgot. You were saying about the body that we have in the hellish planet. Is that what's the name of that body that we never?
Jatanamoy, sorry. Painful body.
Jatanamoy.
Sorry, body. But at that time we are suffering the pain. This is the sukma, sorry, certain body, not gross body. But that time we cannot getting so suffering, so much torture by the Jamdut. We cannot do anything. In the scripture there, this is called Jatanamoy. Only we get pain. We cannot do anything. There is one type of sinful activity, one type of punishment. Not same. In Bhagavad there is so many, one hellish planet, one type of path. But one thing, who are taking the bona fide Guru and chanting Hare Krishna mantra, maybe not properly chanting, but still they will not, if they have done any offense in their life, that Jom Maharaj will not touch, because this belt is not. For Jom Maharaj Tilok, Jom Maharaj went, that messenger of Jom Maharaj went to the Ajamil, the very fearful figure. See, Ajamil becomes so fearful. So his son Narayan, he told Narayan. But immediately 4 messengers from Vishnu Lok, they come and kick out the messenger of Hari's planet. Well, why you came here? Well, you have whole life have done so much bad activity, sinful activity. Well, you don't hear in the dying time he is saying the Narayan. Well, Narayan not Bhagavan Nam, he is calling his son. Well, Sam. Still he have chanting Narayan. So Ajamil was saved by the name of the Narayan. In this way, we are see that Nam is so glorification. So, before our society give newborn child name, good name. Radhika, Lolita, Vishaka, Durga, like this one. All the some devotional name. The son name Govinda, Jagannath, Damodar, Narayan, in this way. Now you go in India, especially Bengal, they are giving the name that in the Western, Dolly, Polly, Nolly, Collie. No meaning of anything, like Western. Acha. The son name, Coco, Coffee, there is Nontu, Montu, Jhantu. What their name will be? Take any result? No, nothing. If they give the Narayan, how Ajamil was saved. So that is the thing. Narayan name is so powerful, Krishna name is, all life you are chanting, you are calling your son. Narayan, or Damodar, that's all bad activities. What you have done, you have already done, then will be gradually going on. Nam is so powerful. Nam is Chintamani. Naam is so powerful. So if anybody knowingly or unknowingly calling the Naam, then I will finish one story. One time in the Vrindavan, one young couple, husband and wife living. Suddenly his wife expired, have died. To that time, young man after cremation, everything become mad, follow in lane to lane. Ha Kishori, name was Kishore and Kishori. Boy name was Kishore and his wife name Kishori. He always in every lane to lane Vrindavan, oh, ha Kishori, where are you? Ha Kishori, give me darshan, ha Kishori. Lamenting and crying so bitterly. One day, in the transcendental world, Radhani, one name is Kishori. So she become restless, going inside and outside. Lolita told, what happened? Why you become so restless? Then she told, you don't hear somebody calling me Kishori, Kishori? Give me darshan. Then he told, Lolita told, you have no intelligence. He is not calling you. He is calling his wife who have died, name is Kishori. Radhani told, no. Maybe his wife, my name is similar like my name is Kishori and the wife name. So that is similar of name, I must be master. So she came down and take the boy in his Krishna. So Kishori, so Radharani, you are told that Karuna Kurumai, Karuna Bharite. Radharani is so merciful. And Mahaprabhu came in this mood. So he at that time in the distribute his prem, Radhika prem to everybody. Not consider you are qualified or not qualified. Krishna not give. Krishna only gives little bit in the braj, not outside the braj. But Mahaprabhu distribute, and Mahaprabhu devotees are more all merciful than the whole world they distributing. Any question more?
Modi,
Yes.
because we serve Mahaprabhu in Dasera.
Only Dasara, no other.
Like, let's say, because when you attain Swarup Siddhi, and then one form of Vasti Siddhi, one form
One will come, you see our speciality in Gauriya Vaishnava, they will be go two forms. One form in the Gaur Parivar, one form in Gaur, where the Gaur Lila is going, one form in the Krishna Lila.
Or what if, like, let's say, someone, he became liberated, and then his mood is Madhurya mood, like maybe Palyadasi Bhav, his mood, but when he takes form in Mahaprabhu Lila,
You will be Dasamu.
but this Palyadasi Bhav, what happens to the...
Now that one from the Krishna Lila will be Palyadasi Bhav, but Mahaprabhu Lila will be Dasabha.
What is the mood of Rupa Goswami? Because Rupa Goswami, he could see that Mahaprabhu was in Ratha Yatra crying like Srimati Radhika.
In Radharani
So
Bhav.
he will see, because I'm thinking, like let's say someone in Madhurya mood, like Rupa Goswami, he sees Mahaprabhu like Srimati Radhika. But someone like Murari Gupta, no.
But that is the then Mahaprabhu, the pastime is going on there. The pastime not Radharani and not manifest any Sangbhagmaya meeting pastime.
No, it's here, separation.
Separation. In there he feeling that separation. How I am not asking Gurudev, this is my knowledge only up to Gurudev told. That Gurudev only told, we can see that time when I will be perfect. That time we see Mahaprabhu Radha Krishna mood. But in that, when we be perfect, one is Gaurila, one is Krishna Lila, then Gaurila separation mood. That Krishna, that Krishna become Mahaprabhu, कहाँ जाऊँ कहाँ पाऊँ ब्रजेंद्र बंदन बिना पाटे मोरगो कहाँ रे कोई वो कथा के बजाने मोर दुख. In this separation, that is Mahaprabhu came that for Krishna came that pastime, that separation. In no separation, then our meeting not nourishing.
So, and as first here, with the mood of sweetness, Madhurya mood, he can see this. Let's say, like, what about, like, what's his name?
They will be...
Narad Muni, who's Narad Muni? Narad Muni, what's his name, Narad Muni? Srinivas. He can see this,
No. No, that you know, Srinivas, yesterday, that day I told one story. That time they went to the Krishna Lila where Radharani is searching his nose vein. And Shiva is Narad Muni.
Yes.
He that time came in some Aishwarya Murti, but still come. But I could not know why they are calling the Shiva Narad Muni. In one man, because Shiva that he has paying very high class stuff. Very high class is full of sweetness. But why Srivas Pandit maybe Srivas Narad Muni going everywhere. Even he ought to go to Dwarka. And even we have heard from Gurudev in Govardhan when he had become Narodiya Gopi. In Narodiya Gopi he must be there. But Uddhav cannot change. Uddhav still also doing. It is Gurudev told it, Gopika and Masi may be changed. You see Pandava, they are Radhakundu bank, they are at a tree, they are... Gurudev told they have become perfect and no tree now. They are disappeared. That is question coming, they are entered in that. It is somehow possible if that Gopi, Radharani, Masti. There is no change in the mood. That is some calling, this is the thing.
Because you know what Prabhupada says that if in Dasu, if you worship Mahaprabhu.
But that Dasu not like that Dasu. Paradasu Manjuti, that is also. That Dasu is not ordinary Dasu. And Mahaprabhu line, the Archan, that is, Vaidhi Bhakti or not like a Ramanu Sampradaya Vaidhi Bhakti. It is not so strong Vaidhi Bhakti. It is some favorable Raganuga Bhakti.
What about those who serve Gaur Gadadhar?
Gaur Gadadhar in that Raganuga Bhakti. Archan, Vishnu Priya and Gaurasundar.
Dasya Bhav, Gaur Gadadhar, Dasya Bhav.
Gadadhar showing that he never any other mood, submission, submit mood always. Gadadhar.
But not Dasya like we see.
He is a more Dasu, not only Prabhu, not in love and affection, so much is not ordinary Dasu. It is Mahaprabhu Das mood, is not ordinary Das mood. So love and affection, all of it, there is. Then, what will be? Offering not Thakurji now? It is what time? 12 o'clock, maybe more. It may be. Noon time must be you offering at 12, within 12:30. Your big Thakurji, Jagannath. Jagannath in Puri, you know, 56. All are day and night, all are eating. His heart not become dry. All are eat. Your Jagannath is where, so you give all.
Saroli is the Pujari.
That's why you're here. That's why you came.
No, that is the Jagannath. He's so old looking, greedy eyes. Where I am so hungry. Why not give them? Mahaprabhu is not so much tolerant. The Jagannath as a form, Krishna become Jagannath. So he has become so greedy. Where my food, where my food? Preparation. In Jagannath Puri, he has taken so many times that he had hand becomes not away, all are away, not dry. This is the thing. On the noon time, man will give something like anything. Anybody who eats or night, in noon time, something cooking lunch. Breakfast. We are giving dinner in Mandir temple. Early morning, Mangalarati, then we give something. Like a butter, michri, candy, or any other thing. What is easy. Then after Archon, then you are giving some fruit or breakfast what we cook. Khichuri or in according your bread or what you are offering. Then at a 12, with the 12:30 must be, not morning. Giving Thakurji one chapati or rice, anything. Rice is more favorable. Jagannath likes rice, not chapati so much. So some half kilo, if nobody can eat, half kilo at least you must be giving. Some one sabji and something. My Gurudev used to told Pujari of temple. In noontime, big temple, big Thakurji. He was giving noontime 5 types of sabji, vegetable. One is bitter, one is dal, one is some fry, eggplant or aloo fry, or saag machli. Mahaprabhu is so much like saag. Finish. Finish. And one dal ho gaya, one sabji in fry thing, and then one mixing rafra. Then one is a rasa, one some light sabji with the water. Then one chutney, dahi or milk, anything. Jogat or if not, so we are in the Kirtan, Paraoro Damodar, Aishware Kono, Bhogamandire, Bosi Koro, Bhojan. What is? Sukata Dagadi Dadi, Dalana Dukda Sambi, Dodi Mota Kondo, Mudogavara, Masvara. Oh, what people is that? We are not making, but we Kirtan, we are giving there so many things. The others are 12 type of amro, chutney 12 type. So many pakora. Mudogavara, masvara, rotika gitando, rotika roti chapati with the ghee. Luchi chini sorpuri. Luchi, with white flour make luchi. Puri is brown. Luchi means white. With chini. We giving with the chini. What chini diabetes will be? I don't know. There Bhaktivinoda Thakur told Ruchi chini sorpuri. There is so many famous in the Navadvip Krishnagar, one type of sweet. Sorpuri, pita panna, puja, ketna, what type of they are described. Somebody will say, you are cheating the Thakurji. You are not making, you are making only rice, dal and sabji. One. Or you are giving so many, oh Prabhu, I am cook so many, you can take. No, we are, in Kirtan we are giving. It is not possible to every day to cook. But no, we are. Now today I make also some bitter sabji. No karora, neem leaves. Sometimes our Muthura they make it. So I don't know how it is. So many bitter neem tree, I have no idea here. In other place, when I get the neem tree, I make with the eggplant. Maybe I don't know. Neem fry, then small eggplant cutting. And then with the neem, salt and haldi, you can make fast, this is the pudding. And then take out water and then little bit ghee, tail you can fry. First neem leaf fry and keep separate, dry, and then we mix with this thing. My Gurudev and also Maharaj is like in foreign country, neem flower, they are made up dry and sending to Gurudev. Very beautiful, neem flower, small one.
I think I never had neem sabji in my life.
You are,
I never tried neem sabji.
I am making 3-4 places. Somehow I see neem tree. I am making, where? Neem tree? Houston mostly. And another the neem tree I bought, neem leaves.
You brought neem leaves from Houston and you made it alachua.
Alachua.
Maybe when you come to England, I try to get some. I bring some from
I today find one neem tree. It is neem tree, is a small neem tree. I not wanted to take so much. And also, very neem with eggplant is very soft. just now coming, that neem tree. Neem tree. Leaves. When our Chaturmas wrote, you know that so many brahmacharis, they like than this pita tree. Sometimes they only find so paka green neem, they fry and keep it. It is good for health also. It is purified them.
The leaf,
The
neem tree leaf, if you take it raw.
Sometimes raw, so many, it is so many diabetes, all things is gone.
Diabetes?
I heard that somebody taking the neem, it is purified your blood.
Blood. Diabetes. Maybe Manmohini should take it. It's good for the skin too.
Skin, very good.
दीदी वो डॉक्टर की अभी देंगे ना शाम को बाद
अभी थोड़ा भक्त लोग को दे आज जाओ बाँचेगा राख देगा बाँचेगा तो राखेगा ना बाँचेगा तो थोड़ी उन लोग के लिए उन लोग को एक क्या मुकर थोड़ा से एक कटोरा आज उठाए के रखो जितना अभी इस टाइम जो खाया है ना इस टाइम जो खाया है उन लोग को नहीं देना जो न्यू पर्सन विल कम देन गिव देम
ठाकुर जी का प्रसाद सबको आएगा
Don't giving, no matter. You give the 5 kilo that become little bit to everybody can do. No matter. Milk. But Loki is not sufficient. So we have made that. I brought some new gur from in Bengal. Yeah, everybody can come help that I make pita. This is the, you know. I in the bazaar I am every year I cook. And another place also I cook. No, that is in the Australia. Ganga, that time no, they are not there. Oh, big, so much, and so many body help and big people, they making the pita. You remember? You were there that time. You were there that time, making pita one type of semolina with inside coconut and with the frying with ghee and then put in the milk boiling. And that's it.
You know what? I really like to learn. You know that street they make on Shlomo Maharaj Disappearance Day? The ones like this, like a white samosa inside milk.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, this is it. Oh, I really would like to learn to make that.
Is it there?
You gonna make it tomorrow?
Tomorrow. One day making Sundays. Here, here I will be stay as Friday.
Yeah.
Then one day I'm making something.
Yeah.
One sabji and one sweet preparation.
Okay.
I like to. I don't know how can I make good, sometimes less lobos. I am like to cook.
Oh.
I like to cook. Everywhere I get an opportunity and it's a big kitchen.
Yeah.
And everything is, Ganga Mata also very small kitchen but still have everything.
Yeah.
Somewhere not so many anything.
This is it.
That is the Muslim.
Yeah.
Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bola. Yeah?
You say you make the best samosas.
Baba says, it is, nowadays I am become old age. Before I had 6 kilo maida, I make him myself. Some curry oil, some peanut nuts there.
partir das 18 ou 19 horas eu tô ligado.
Little bit aloo,
Se quiser assistir, agora no 5,
making
seus
the
perfis.
ponies. making funny
Para o meu perfil no
small
Facebook, quem quiser ver o endereço. Vai ser nesse mesmo endereço.